Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Anker Soundcore Glow wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working properly, like it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, keeps disconnecting, not responding, etc. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you decide that you just want to buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a speaker that I have and I like a lot. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start, delete all the pairing history off here and set this speaker up like it's new. It's super easy to do. You just need to turn the speaker on, and then come here on the top, and you're going to find this volume up button here, and then you're going to find the Bluetooth button, and you're just going to press and hold the two buttons simultaneously for like 5 to 10 seconds until this speaker restarts. When it restarts, it'll restart into its factory default settings. You can go ahead and set it up like a new speaker.